my 2-minute tip and my Friday newsletter end up kind of crossing paths, right? And this week for the Friday webinar, we're talking about non-sexy businesses. And if you've been working with me at all, you know that sometimes those ugly businesses are pretty attractive once you start looking at the business model and the numbers and kind of everything else that goes into it. There's a little bit less competition in some of those, right? And so I guess to tie it in, my 2-minute tip is to be open to listening and being educated on a business that you hadn't necessarily considered. I've been doing kind of an experiment with some of the people that I work with, and I'm saying, okay, I'm going to introduce you to maybe 5 is the first short list. And I would like you to talk with 2 of them that I suggest, so really kind of saying, let's use the brand education to educate you on what's out there. We're still in education mode. We're not necessarily in heavy all sales mode yet, but it's helping. People are kind of going, okay, Lise, I see where you're going there. I can see why you wanted me to look at it. I mean, I'll never forget a call I got a couple of years ago from someone that ended up getting into a cleaning business. And he was like, did you see the numbers in this business? And I was like, mm-hmm. And so it's just one of those things, I think, for this 2-minute tip, and I've said it in the past, is that sometimes the most attractive businesses aren't necessarily the sexiest businesses. So if you're open-minded and ready to get started and just kind of want to think, what would she suggest for me? That's the tip. It's time to talk. Hope that helps.